MeghalayaPost.news.
Kum gajing burom karpang ya Nonghikai bat kabaderu kata Teachers Day kasngi karpang jong Nonghikai nagalang katrat pule puti jong kari boy desing mata kasngi kalapelong ya gajing ke bakarpang banai burom ya Nonghikai habag ya kan program lapelong haparish hall nongpoh uba chas Marngar MLA ka mau ti konsi lawan bansim benta kumuksan harengkar gajing don lang udip di komisioner kari boy desing wa abelai barnwal ki officer na katrat pule puti ki Nonghikai ki kana school bagi wide hagani kasngi nagalang katrat pule puti Alairu ya kusnam karpang syaki Nonghikai balio kita kusnam halor kajing tres tom joki ban kentu ya beliau putih hapo ke distrik Riboy habakran na kana si kumkungsan ba chas marar ulong ba Nonghikai ide syak ta kinong sandur ya ka imlang kasalang ban kentiuru ya kari ba Bynriew Nonghikai kidon kamenta ka bakrau ban ra kajing kala habaro kelyang bar kidon hokru ban yo ya burom kene kajing harkhe kene kasngi kalong kajing ai burom na ka banta Nonghikai halor usen yang ban he ba kilano ban kentiu ya beliau ti namar datang kajing nang kajing stan bangila ban ra ya kajing kala habaro kelyang jong kajing im.
When you can pay your gratitude to your teachers. Often we tend to forget whatever we are doing today, whatever as students we are doing today and you will be doing tomorrow. Teachers will play an important part in your life. Whether they only do their duty and complete the formal official responsibilities that they have been asked to, or whether they go out of their way and make it a mission to improve your lives, is not just dependent on their temperament, is not just dependent on their personality and how they approach their job, but it's also dependent on the fact whether they feel reciprocated by the teachers, by the students and by the parents. If you have had the blessings of a teacher who goes out of his way or a teacher who goes out of her way to make sure that you do not only get the lessons from the books but you also get the lessons from life and they prepare you as a model citizen, you should consider yourself fortunate. So Teachers Day, which is the birth anniversary of our second president and first vice president, is a day that you should take a pause and that you should pay your gratitude and you show your sincere gratitude to the teachers so that they go out of their way and they make it a mission to improve your life and to add substance to your education.
Rose through education and scholarship. When asked how his birthday should be celebrated, he humbly requested that be observed as Teachers Day in honor of our teachers and the invaluable role in nation building. This legacy continues to inspire us. You may just be called a teacher, but to your students, you are a hero. You are a hero. Your dedication and passion for teaching have shaped countless lives. Your encouragement and wisdom make a lasting difference each day. Your influence goes far beyond the classroom, shaping the very future of our nation. Thank you for your patience, your kindness, your goodness, your guidance, and your unwavering commitment. As Malala Yousafzai reminds us, one book, one pen, one child, and one teacher can change the world. Today it is also my honor to celebrate our respected teachers who are receiving award. Srimati Shimlat Hongwir, the assistant teacher of Nehru Memorial High Secondary School. Mr. Roshan Okran, the headmaster of Nongpoh Nepalese, and also by Jasful Wala, the head teacher of Santa Village, Jirang. Teachers are more than just educators. They are mentors, guides, and nation builders.
MeghalayaPost.news.